Ito na wala. Tumira ng dos. Wala pong pakita. Sinalungsod. Easy 2 points. Nakita na naman. Ay, walang nakita. Number 0. Pinasa. Simba. 2 points. Para kay Simba. Ay, nako. Gusto mo na sa kanya. Bola. Napunta kay Simba. Ay, nako. Number 0 na naman. Nakita na ng pinasan. Nakakita na naman. Lagi na lang na. Ano sa sinasa kay number 0? Lahat na lang 0. 0! Iwan naman. Number 15. Tumira ng dos. Diba, ayan naman. Ayan naman, nakita, tinira. 2 points para kay Simba. Highlights na naman. Pinasa kay number 22. Binalik kay number 16. Number 0. 16. 0. Connection. 8, 7. 16 to 0. 0.
Shot clock.
Ang ganda.
2 minutes be.
Number 0. Pinat. Nakuha ni number 15. Number 0. Nakuha number 0. 32 ba? 22. Tinira ng 3. Ang layo yan, idol. 37. Nakuha diretso ata. Misting mo foul. Anong number foul? Outside. Hanap ng pasan. Naghanap ng papasan. Nakita si number 25. Dribble ng bola. Tinira, binigay kay number 0. Sinalubsoy si 2 points. 25. Dribble ng bola. Naghanap ng pasan. Tumira ng 2. Outside. Binigay kay Alvin. Tumira ng 3. God bless. Para kay Alvin. Reto, binigay kay number 22. Tumira ng 3. Nakuha ni number 35. Reto, binigay kay Alvin. Easy 2 points para kay Alvin. Number 16. Binigay kay number 7. Number 15. Binigay kay Naxit.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Number 11. And a foul, good foul number. Number 16. Right back. And a foul, good foul. Mamaya, pag pumasok. Clarence, pass to number 8, nice pass, no good, good back, number 11, nagdadala ng bola, pass to number 30, pass to number 16, Kasin, bumangga, Kasin, Hoy! Baba ka dyan! Ay! Stop! Right, instead of saying Clarence, basketball speed, but I've got it. 2. Clarence, kick out to number 38, pick the 3. 2 points. Number 16, Kasin. Crossover. Umikot-ikot ka sa minanaw ng number 4. Here's the number 11. Back to number 23. Jump shot. Number 23, number 13, number 13, no good. Number 23. Second to shoot. Pass to the second number 11 is Tyson. Strong away number 11, basket is good, tanay number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. Jordan, 5 seconds to shoot. Team by jump shot. Pass break in number 11, 2 versus 1. Big. No good, that one ulit. Number 11, pass to number 16. Number 16. Number 16, 2 points is good, but I number 16. Guys, pass to number 15. Number 15. Start away there, number 4. Pass to number 23. Number 30, no good, no way, number 16. Number 16. 5 seconds para sa ating second quarter. Number 16. Attack. Foul. Count it. Coach Dandy. Ano ba? Ha? Paano ka lang dyan? Pa-assistant coach ka lang dyan? Number 38. Pass to number 45. Number 45. Pass it good. Jason. Setting the bay. Kick and three. No good. Rebound. Number 15. Cassie. Setting the play, and number shot, number 11, jump shot. No good, rebound, number 0. Pass to number 25, number 25, number 25, no good, rebound, number 20, number 13. Number 13, take and three, ang layo niya na idol. Pass to number 23. 25, number 25, attack. Haluk. Quick out, pick, 2%. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 35, no good, rebound, and number 30, number 11. Pass to number 13. Number 13, missing 6 kick. Wala, kukunin number 11, binalik ulit kay number 13. Pass to number 11, pick. Number 11, jump shot. No good, rebound ni number 11. Pass to Cassie. Cassie inimitahan ng bola. Cassie binabantayan. Cassie na yun naman siya. Sasalaksak. Basket yan para kay number 16. Pass to number 11, Robbie Solis. Robbie Solis. Basket is good para kay Robbie. Number 0, J-Mo. Pass to number 22. Number 22, pass. 2 points. Para number 22, isang pala. Number 16, Cassie, number Richie, pass to number 22. Pass to number 0, Winis sila din. Hebani, pass to Preston. Pass to number 25, number rebound, number 20, sila Pek.
Stop arahin tayo pag may mga foul or ano. Ayun tayo.
20 seconds to make time. Simba, number rebound, number 30. Number 13, pass back in number 0. Out of bounds, bola. Pass to number 0. Here comes the number 4, stolen away. Kung also offers number 5, number 23. Number 23, tumitinig pa, asok akos. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Burger, rebound ni number 15. Number 15. Black pa ngayon kay Kasim. Santos. Umatake. Number 23. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 15. Number 15. No good. Rebound ni number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Mera ng bola. Throw it away. number 0. Pass to Casin Santos. Santos, pinasa yung number 0. Balik kay Ogie Diaz. Ogie Diaz, bumunggo. Basket is good para kay Ogie Diaz. May tawag bola. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 4 is going to West Metro the ball. Number 22, Nugget rebound in number. Number 4, point guard. Number 4,
Shot
Sandy
clock.
play. Stacy, drop pass. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 16, over pa. Number 22, no way, number 0. Pass to number 22, basket is good para kay number 22. Number 4. Drop pass, chicken tree, no good, rebound, number 15. Number 15, passing in number 4. 10 seconds to shoot. Start away. Number 0, tinignan pa. 2 points yan. Shoutout sa'yo, Forma. Ano ba? Number 4. Pass to number 15, BJ. Number 22. Number rebound, number 23. Basket yan. Number 16. Power roll, taking two, rebound, number 2, Ramos, point Ramos, back to the number 28, back to number 25, Ian Malaysia, dimasok pa, para Ian Malaysia. Pass to number 13, Aquino for 2, Number 16, pass to number 28, pinasama-saan na lang si Clarence. Pass ka. Clarence, try to bola, pass to number 23 for 3. Number number 16. Number 16, sumalaksak. No good, nakuha ni number 28, nakuha ni number 28, sumalaksak. Number 11, no good, nakuha ni pass number 23. Number 23 sumaksak ay pass na. Next screen, pass to nakuha ni number 23. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 16. Pay. No good. Number 4 pala. Number 4. Pass to number 23. Nakuha ni Aquino. Number 13. Number 20. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 28. Number 28 to make shot. Pass to number 7. Who's for rep? And driving violation. Pass to number 23. Nogo pa rin ang wali Siba. Number 20. Aquino. Number 28. Number 28 pasa. Number 16. Kumaltag. Ang lalim. Nogo na kuha ni number 23. Number 20. Pasu, wala lang nabasahan si number 23. Nakuha ni number 11 to make shot. Pasu number 28 for 3. Bang! Number 4, talbog bola, pasu, nasunod ni Aquino. Pasu number 11. Pasu dyan.